guys, what would you like to say? A dance or the workout?
Sorry to keep you guys waiting. Firstly, thank you for being here. And I can't hear any of y'all because of this music. But yeah, the question, we can do the question answer session.
Yes, questions. Who's got the first question? Yeah, if you can come forward here. Yeah, the girl there. Arjun, we want you here. Yeah. Okay, the first question.
Arjun, your fitness regime and your fitness diet, if you could share it with us.
आपको पूरी हिस्ट्री चाहिए मतलब सुबह उठ के क्या
आप in short बता दीजिए.
My fitness history, I think, is very well established. I used to be 140 kilos when I started out, and I've lost about 55 kilos after that. It took me 4 years to do that. Ever since that time, I look back and I don't ever want to look like that, so I am as disciplined as possible. That's the reason I got in touch with Chris Gatton, and I spoke to him about getting myself a trainer and a nutritionist. And my journey started with these guys from there. Kyle's been in my life for the last 5 months now. I work out as much as I can. I don't take breaks. We train about 6 times a week minimum, regardless of my shooting schedule, even if it's late at night. Where the diet is concerned, I just follow whatever he tells me. I stick to protein, chicken mainly, quinoa, chicken, brown rice, vegetables, fruits, etc. So it's a very simple, balanced diet.
Your secret for a perfect body. Your secret.
I want her to ask him. Ask on the mic. अब आप सबकी शक्ल में पहचान
नहीं कल आलिया को पूछी थी मैं पूछ रहा हूँ
Ask her.
What's your best body feature?
What's my best body feature? You tell me. What's my best body feature? I really don't know. As in, how can I say? I know I put on size very quickly on my arms, so I hardly train arms. But my arms are my biggest feature, I guess. Best compliment for my body. I wasn't wearing any clothes when I was given that, so I would like to share it.
Arjun, you were seen in a new look.
Yes.
Seen in a new look today, and there is a glow on your face also. What is the secret?
Seen me in a new look and?
There's a glow on your face suddenly.
There's
What's
glow
the
on
secret?
my face. I'm very happy to be here and see you. That's why there's a glow on my face.
पर ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है उसी से जुड़ा हुआ ही ये आज का ग्लो नहीं है हम कुछ दिनों से देख रहे हैं आप कुछ ज्यादा ही खुश नजर आए कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है लाइफ में
हाँ I have Kyle with me. He's the reason I'm smiling so much.
अरे यार इसका रीजन कुछ और भी
His glow is rubbing off on me.
आप जो आंसर दे रहे हैं इसका कुछ अलग भी मतलब हो सकता है
I've actually I've come back from Agra with a tan, but आपको लग रहा है glow है तो अच्छी बात है. I've been working for the last 40 days in Agra in the sun, and I thought I was looking dark. But if you feel there's a glow on my face, thank you for that, and thank you as well. There's no real reason for it. I guess I'm just happy to be here. एक जरूरी चीज है, I have trimmed my beard after many days, तो शायद आपको इसीलिए लगा. और जो जवाब आप चाहते हैं वो मैं आपको दूंगा नहीं.
थैंक्स अ लॉट आपने ना कहते हुए बहुत कुछ कह दिया.
मैंने तो काफी कुछ कहा, आपने सुना नहीं.
Arjun, do you have a cheat diet ever?
आप कहाँ से? माइक दिखाओ.
Yeah.
वही मैं सोच रहा था.
Hi. Do you have a cheat diet day? Anything you indulge in which you're not supposed to have?
Do I have a cheat diet?
Ever?
Yeah.
Like
I
what?
love eating. But I take his consent and permission now since he's with me. When I didn't have a trainer with me 24/7, I used to keep Sunday as a cheat day earlier, long back. Sunday used to be whatever I wanted to eat. So 6 days I used to work out like a madman, and 7th day I used to eat what I want. But ever since I've got physically, there are no more Sundays and Mondays and Fridays. Every day is the same. So I take consent from him, and once in a while I get permission to whatever I feel like, whatever you crave. I guess I have a fetish these days for red velvet, the red velvet cupcakes. So I've been craving that. So the day he leaves, I'm going to have one at least.
Arjun!
So on that cheat meal, he's got to earn it. You know, they don't come They don't come cheap. 2 or 3, 4, 5 weeks of hard work, and then maybe we'll give him a cheat meal. That's kind of how we work it.
He checks my the food I call in my room when we're shooting for outdoors. He checks that as well. The chef and he in touch. So even if I order anything, he knows.
Arjun, here.
हाँ बताइए.
If it wasn't for the movies, would you still be this fit?
If it wasn't that I was an actor,
Yeah. If you weren't an actor, would you still be this fit?
अगर मैं actor नहीं होता तो मैं अभी भी 140 किलो का होता.
Arjun, who do you think in the industry has the hottest body? Actress.
Actress.
दोनों पहले actress से चालू करते हैं.
I think Salman Bhai has always had a fantastic body to answer her question. There's only one person who's inspired an entire nation. We are all here today because he started this movement where fitness is concerned and going to the gym. And I'm just an extension of his. So I'll take this opportunity to thank him once again. And I'm sure there are millions of people who love him because of this. Where women are concerned, I think Deepika and Anushka both have fantastic bodies. I've worked with Priyanka and I know how hard she works in the gym as well, and she also has a fantastic body.
Acha, your relationship between fitness and health.
See, it's unfortunately now fitness has become about how many abs you have. Health is equally important. You don't need to have abs to be healthy. You need to lead a very balanced life. You can't just be saying, "Mere paas abs hai, so I'm healthy." It's not only about having a six-pack, or it's about having arms. Your lifestyle has to be balanced, and it's got to be a journey. It's not that 10 दिन you're working out and 10 days you're cheating. You got to find a healthy balance. That is what leads to a longer, healthier life. बाकी लोगों को हमसे ज़्यादा मजा आ रहा है ऐसे लग रहा है ना. The amount of shouting over there. My fitness tip. Make it a lifestyle. Yeah. It's not an effort. For you to be fit, it should come from within. It should be an everyday thing. It's not an effort कि आज मुझे gym जाना है या आज I have to eat properly. It should come from within you so you can have a better life ahead. It's as simple as that. आप अकेले इंटरव्यू कर लो. आ जाओ.
Arjun, here.
Yes, hi.
I've got a question for you.
Yes.
People usually say that it's really important to go on diet, like to reduce your weight. Is that really true?
You have to go on a diet to lose weight.
Yeah.
You want to lose weight?
I want to, but I don't want to go on a
You go
diet.
work
I don't really work out, but I go for.
Do you walk?
Yeah, I walk. I walk and I dance.
How much?
An hour a day.
An hour. Where?
Just in the park.
Can you jog?
No, I dance.
You dance?
Yes.
And what do you eat?
I eat everything.
So then stop eating everything. If you're putting that much effort and going to walk, and you're dancing and you're walking and you're putting in some sort of effort, after that, beyond the point, if you're not going to lead with your diet being clean and disciplined, you won't lose weight.
So eating habits actually help out, when it
Eating
comes
is
to.
more important than anything else.
Oh.
If you're eating rubbish, it's never going to matter how hard you're working.
Okay, and it's going to be easy for me to, when if I actually stop.
Nothing
eating the junk
in life
food.
is easy. Ever. Just remember that.
Okay,
Nothing.
thank you so much.
Now we have one last question from the media in the interest of time. One question from the media. Well, let's give an opportunity for everybody. यहाँ पे. What's your favorite workout? Arjun? What's your favorite workout?
Yeah.
Use your mic.
What's my favorite workout?
I got your question. Fitness tip to any actress.
Fitness tip to any other actor. Why would I give that to any actress? आपको क्या लगता है हमारे पास बहुत खाली टाइम हम एक दूसरे को टिप्स देते रहते हैं. क्या टिप दी, आपने इनको क्या टिप दी, इनको हम थोड़ी देर इनको टिप्स देते रहते हैं यार. Conversation में बात होती है, but I've never sat down and given tips to people.
Arjun.
My favorite workout, I love doing back. For me, my back is a strong point, and my arms as well. And I've not done legs in a long time. Sorry? Shoulders. My shoulders, I don't have too much of strength on my shoulders.
Okay, Arjun, I have a question. Here. Arjun, all right. How difficult is it to mold yourself in terms you being an actor? You do different roles, right? That should be very physically tiring because in one particular role you might need to gain weight. In some role you need to build your body, and somewhere you need to lose weight. Okay, how do you maintain your fitness levels there? What do you do?
It's complicated, but I guess that's part and parcel of my profession. That's why I have somebody like Kyle and the people from Physical Elite with me. It's primarily because that's their headache. How they make me strip when I need to lose fat. Like right now, I've been wanting to put on muscle. So we've been training towards that. I've been wanting to get more muscular and more defined. So we're working towards that, and we keep working and talking about it. So now I know when I want to lose the fat again or lose the size again, I'll go into shredding as soon as I can. So it's planned, and you work towards it. But it's difficult to explain how do you do it because it takes time. So while I was doing Gunde, I was also doing 2 states. So what used to happen is for Gunde, I used to weight train. The moment I used to shift shooting for 2 states, I used to stop weight training completely. I used to only do cardio. I used to keep it as simple as that. So it used to make me look less chunkier in comparison standing next to Alia. Because Alia is a petite girl and I'm a big broad guy. So I used to just be careful about things like that.
Great. Now, well, I understand we... Okay.
Gunde
का dialogue.
अगर जिगर की जगह जिगर है और जिगर में दम है तो रोक ले आके.
Okay, now in case if they have to look up for information, your transformation information, where can they look it up? Is there some information on the website?
Is there information on the website? I'm sure it's there. Is there any?
Most of your questions can definitely be answered, just to let you know.
Don't think there's any active. Sorry, ask again.
Well, I think there's one video where you talk about the entire transformation for Body Power TV. Yes, there's a video of Arjun Kapoor where he talks about his entire transformation that is for about 5 minutes, where pretty much he touches all the important pointers. If you find time, I'd like you all to go ahead and watch that. Right? Yeah. Well, that's about it. Well, one last step maybe. Any dance move from your movie? Yeah? Come on!